Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Silver marches on, shakes off the supply and takes back territories in the 27 level. http ntvforex.com News ID 39F7976 minutes ago by Ross J. Berlin. Silver stabilizes as a precious metals favorite while the greenback stumbles onto the back foot. Geopolitics and the FOMC's concerns about economic recovery playing into the hands of other NBSP safe havens, besides the US dollar. The price of silver is trading $27.0633 and up on the day by NBSP 1.3%. The move from a low of $26.60.59 to $27.4601 can be mostly attributed to Thursday's London-New York session handover's weakness in the US dollar. There is broad soft dollar tone on Thursday following yesterday's recovery against the G10FX framework, with the DXY posting its largest single-day gain since June. NBSP at the time of writing the DXY is trading at 92.83. Down 0.18% from a high of 93.24 to a low of 92.75. The Federal Open Market Committee minutes were slightly less dovish than anticipated, owing to there being a reluctance to control the curve, for which markets took as a green light to continue to buy back the US dollar. However, the sell-off in USDs was short-lived, and following a fresh corrective high during the London and New York crossover, the greenback finds itself back under pressure. The market continues to expect easing steps in its September meeting, as the FOMC minutes showed that members continued to stress significant economic uncertainty and downside risks due to COVID-19, for which only further stimulus could resolve. Iran risks thrown into the mix. Meanwhile, from a geopolitical standpoint, Iran has come back to the fore as a risk-off theme which potentially supports safe haven asset classes, such as precious metals. NBSP in the latest developments following the US announcing its intentions to restore full sanctions on Iran, Russia has rejected the plan, saying only a country that remains in the 2015 Iran nuclear deal can trigger the return of the sanctions in a process known informally as snapback. "We will not take it as snapback," Russian UN NBSP Ambassador Vasily Nebenzia told reporters, rejecting US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo's expected announcement. He's not triggering a snapback. Snapback can be triggered by a country that is a participant of the JCPOA, which the US is not, he said, referring to the Iran nuclear deal by its formal name, the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action JCPOA. NBSP Silver, a precious metals favorite. Meanwhile, NBSP Silver remains a precious metals favorite. Analysts at TD Securities explained that it has NBSP a clean positioning slate, and with there being rising industrial demand, spectacular investment demand and inventory constraints that should maintain momentum to the upside. In this context, the additional negative gamma created by a surge in levered ETF flows in silver continues to add some fat to silver's right tail. Silver levels. NBSP overview today. Last price 27.14 today. Daily change 0.41 today. Daily change percent 1.53 today. Daily open 26.73. NBSP trends. Daily SMA 2025.82. Daily SMA 5021.41. Daily SMA 10018.73. Daily SMA 20017.85. NBSP levels. Previous daily high 28.03. Previous daily low 26.49. Previous weekly high 29.41. Previous weekly low 23.44. Previous monthly high 26.21. Previous monthly low 17.76. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%. 27.08. Daily Fibonacci 61.8%. 27.44. Daily pivot point S1 26.14. Daily pivot point S2 25.54. Daily pivot point S3 24.59. Daily pivot point R1 27.68. Daily pivot point R2 28.63. Daily pivot point R3 29.22. NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.